Number 241, the price of a pair of pants is 17 pesos more than twice the price of the polo shirt. If the average price of these two items is 83 pesos and 50 cents, what is the price of the pants? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 100, 117, 107, 120, and 114 pesos. Okay, so let's make an equation for this. So the question is, what is the price of the pants? Okay, so let X be the variable for this. So the price of a pair of pants is 17 pesos more than twice the price of the polo shirt. So the price of the pants is 17 pesos, 17 pesos more than twice the price of the polo shirt. So let X be the price of the polo shirt. Okay? Let X be the price of the polo shirt so we can make an expression for the price of the pair of pants. So the pair of pants is 17 pesos. So 17 pesos more than. So more than, so that means we add 17. And then twice, so we will multiply by 2, twice the price of the polo shirt. So therefore, 2x plus 17. So this is the expression for the price of the pair of pants. Okay? So now we have another condition. If the average price of these two items is 83 pesos and 50 cents. So we average the price of the polo shirt and then the price of the pants. So that means we will add the price of polo shirt and pants and we will divide that by 2. So because that is the formula for average. We add the price of polo shirt and pants and then divide by 2. So therefore, we have X plus X, the price of the polo shirt, and 2X plus 7 plus 17, the price of the pants, and then we divide by 2. That is equal to 83 pesos and 50 cents. So this will be our working equation. So we just solve for X. But we are looking for the price of the pants. Remember, X is the price of the polo shirt. Okay? So let's solve first the value of the price of the polo shirt and then substitute it to this expression. Okay, so let's solve for X. So we need to isolate X here. So we multiply both sides by 2. At the same time, we can add this. X plus 2x, so that is equal to 3x plus 17. Okay? And then we divide both sides of the equation by the denominator 2. So multiply both sides by 2. Okay? So that we can cancel this. And then we combine this x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x, and then we have plus 17. Equals, so multiply this, 8350 times 2. So 80 times 2, that is equal to 160. And then we have 350 times 2, that is 7 pesos. So therefore, we have 167. And then solve for x, so subtract 17 to both sides. So this will cancel out, and then we have 3x is equal to 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5, just bring down 1. And then divide both sides by 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 150. 15 divided by 3, that's equal to 5. So just copy the 0. We have 50. So 50, this is the price of the polo shirt. And then to get the value of pants, so just substitute 50 for this 2x plus 17. So therefore, we have 2 times the value of x is 50 and then plus 17. So therefore, we have 2 times 50 is 100 plus 17. The price of the pants is 117 pesos and that is letter B. Follow me for more content like this.